The word system is used very much in environmental science. Let's talk about it. In simple terms, a system is any set of interacting parts that exchange energy or material. Think of it as a team. Every member has a role and works together. The same applies to the environment with multiple partners doing different jobs. For example, an urban system could be the bus system in city like Multan. Buses, passengers, road, fuel, and schedules work together to make the system function. If one part fails, such as the bus breakdown, a traffic jam, or there is no proper scheduling, it impacts the entire system. Another example is an ecosystem like the Muree Hills. Trees, animals, soil, water, and climate interact with each other. If one part is removed or harmed, it can disrupt the balance of the entire ecosystem. On a broader scale, we have global systems such as Earth climate, oceans, and biosphere. These are interconnected networks in which changes in one part can influence the entire system. The main idea is that all systems are connected. When we are talking about environmental science, a change in one part influences other, sometimes in ways we do not immediately notice. Environmental science helps us to understand these links by studying systems so we can make choices that maintain balance for humans and nature. Let us consider how we interact with the environment. Every day, in both big and small ways, we are connected to the world around us. When we eat, we depend on plants, animals, and soil. We rely on rivers, lakes, and underground sources when we drink water. Electricity is generated from energy sources that are part of natural system. When we travel or build homes and cities, we shape the land and ecosystem around us. In short, we constantly engage with environmental system. It's two-way relationship. Just as we influence the environment through our action, the environment influences our lives. Clean air, fertile soil, safe water, and stable weather patterns all impact what we can do and how we live. Understanding this connection is at the heart of environmental sciences. It helps us see that protecting the environment is not just about plants and animals, it's about ourselves, our health, and the future of our community. Now let us discuss the importance of environmental science. At its core, this field raises a crucial question. Are our activities damaging the natural system that support our lives on this earth? Environmental science explores key areas where human actions have the most significant impact. How we use resources like water, soil, and energy, pollution in our air, water, and land loss of biodiversity, which lead to disappearance of plants, animals, and other living organisms, and result in climate change that affect the entire planet. The goal is not to halt human progress, but to find ways to balance development with the health of our planet. By understanding these challenges, we can make more intelligent choices, using resources wisely, reducing pollution, protecting wildlife, and combating climate change. Thus, environmental science is vital because it guides us toward a future where humans can prosper, without destroying the system that sustain life. When we talk about the environment, the idea of sustainable living is interesting. At its core, it asks a simple yet powerful question. Are we using Earth resources in a way that lets future generations live just as well as we do today? Sustainable living involves meeting our need today without harming the ability of future generations to meet there. It's about making responsible, thoughtful, and balanced choices. This includes using resources wisely, such as water, energy, and raw material, so they don't deplete. It means transitioning to renewable energy sources like solar or wind power instead of relying solely on fossil fuels. It also involves conserving ecosystem and protecting forests, rivers, and wildlife essential for life. Additionally, it requires adopting environmental ethics and a mindset that cares about the planet, the earth, not just for us, but for all living beings and future generations. In short, sustainable living is not limitation. It's a wise, ethical, and forward-looking approach to ensuring that Earth remain a place where humans and nature can thrive together today and in the future.